Hey everybody, Habsman31, and I'm here to do a quick unboxing, a WWE Shop.com unboxing. And I didn't get much. I got two things, a t-shirt and a notebook. Just a notebook, it's just something to get. And it only costs like $6.99 for everything. Free shipping to anywhere in the United States last week. I don't know if it's still going on or anything, but they're still having those sales, I think. And it's pretty heavy for what it is, and all I got was the shirt and the notebook. And it came pretty fast, was supposed to come in for another 2 days. So, gonna unbox it. Here we go. Don't need that. My shirt. Well, it's a pretty heavy notebook. That's fine. Yep, you're right. The Zack Ryder Basics Tee. I was gonna get the Broski shirt, which was $10, but all they had was 4X and 5X. So obviously that means that they pretty much sold out the regular sizes. And this was the next best thing. And the Broski shirt was only $10. That's the one that says "Spike your hair, take care, spike your hair" in the back. And the new one, same thing on the front, on the back that says "Are you serious, bro?" So that's it. The Zack Ryder shirt, which was, just a minute, it was like $5.99, and then the Rock notebook, so it was like $1.50. So I'll give you a look at that. Take a look. Zack Ryder shirt. Notebook. Nothing inside. So everybody like, subscribe, comment, and hope you enjoyed the video.